This is the tastiest Asian style fried chicken I have ever made, and it is the easiest among all. All you need is to marinate the chicken, coat with the flour mix, and deep fry. In this video, I want to show you how to make the most appetizing fried chicken with the simplest steps. Let's take a look at how to make it. This recipe begins with marinating the chicken. Clean the chicken pieces and make it dry by draining away the water or pat dry, as part of the seasonings are in a liquid form. Combine all the ingredients in the marinade: beaten eggs, ginger juice, light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, oyster sauce, salt, sugar, 5 spice powder, curry powder, and corn flour. Mix well with the chicken. Let it marinate for at least 1 hour or better overnight if time is allowed. While we are marinating the chicken, prepare the ingredients for the coating of the crispy fried chicken. It comprises of 50 grams of plain flour as the base of the coating powder and 50 grams of corn flour to form a crispier crust. Then about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda as a leavening agent to make it lighter and crunchier. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder. And lastly, 1/4 teaspoon of 5 spice powder to be in line with the flavor of the marinated chicken. Combine all the powders and set aside. Deep fry the chicken. Coat the chicken with the flour mix and deep fry the chicken until golden brown. Move the chicken more frequently at the initial stage to prevent it from sticking to the pan. Turn over the chicken occasionally, as the depth of the oil in the pan is relatively shallower than by using the deep fryer. Once the chicken turns golden brown, remove from oil and drain on the kitchen towel. This easy fried chicken recipe showcases how the Malaysian chef creatively combining the Malay and Chinese spices. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please download the recipe and the in-depth explanation at tasteasianfood.com easy fried chicken recipe. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is KP Kwan. Bye for now.